Itchy fiberglass ladders. Uh-oh, that's a sign you could have a ladder safety hazard. Listen, and I'll tell you why. Hi there, I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief. This is where we talk about health and safety hazards in today's demanding industrial and construction work sites.
Fiberglass ladders are damaged by the sun. It takes a long time.
That's Dave Francis, National Safety Director of Little Giant Ladder Systems.
The best thing to do is keep your ladders out of the sun as much as possible.
Ultraviolet light does it, causes fiber bloom.
If it's faded, that doesn't mean that it's bad, but once the outer surface starts to break down and you start to feel the fibers inside the resin, then it's time to get another fiberglass ladder.
If your ladder gets itchy, it's time for a new one. They're not really repairable.
If you've ever seen pool equipment, diving boards, benches, slides, in the past, after they've sat in the sun for a long time, they start to become brittle and crack. That same thing happens with fiberglass ladders.
Can it be recoated?
Other industries have moved to coatings that protect fiberglass, but they're conductive coatings. So in a pool industry situation, they're not worried about conductivity, but in ladders, it doesn't make any sense to put a conductive coating on a non-conductive fiberglass ladder.
Is there any hope for a non-conductive coating?
We're trying to find a coating or a resin that does not break down in UV radiation.
And most of the time, fiberglass is the only option.
Most job sites will require a fiberglass ladder be used on the job, even if you're not working on electricity. Ladders tend to be communal in nature, and if you're not using it, somebody else will. You never know who's going to grab your ladder and use it on an electrical application, so it's standard practice to just have fiberglass ladders on job sites.
Before fiberglass and aluminum, we just had wood.
Used to be all ladders were wood. There's some inconsistencies with wood. Wood is non-conductive, but wood that's wet becomes conductive, and so it was difficult to maintain the integrity of the side rails and steps, and also to know whether it was conductive or non-conductive at the moment because of the moisture.
Then came aluminum.
We switched to aluminum, but quickly switched from aluminum to fiberglass because fiberglass is non-conductive.
So the moral of the story, keep your ladders healthy and your workers will stay safe. Dave, what's a good website for more information?
The American Ladder Institute website at laddersafety.org is going to be your best bet.
And you can go to the website of Dave's company, Little Giant, littlegiantladder.com. Thanks, Dave.
Thank you.
That's Dave Francis, National Safety Director of Little Giant Ladder Systems. And that's all for this episode on Itchy Fiberglass Ladders. Come back for more ways to stay safety compliant in today's ever-changing landscape of safety requirements. I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief, a service of Creative Safety Supply, creativesafetysupply.com.